What you need to know about your taxes. When are taxes mailed out? Taxes are mailed out the last week in June and are due July 1st. They are considered delinquent or late after August 1st of every year. What am I being billed for? You are being billed on real estate, personal property, and motor vehicles registered in the town of Windsor. The billing period for real estate and personal property runs from July 1st of the previous year to June 30th of the current year. For motor vehicle bills, the billing period is from October 1st of the previous year to September 30th of the current year. How are taxes calculated? Tax amounts are based on the mill rate, which is the amount per thousands of assessment value. The assessment values are made by the assessor. Motor vehicle assessments are based on the mill rate as well as the Kelley Blue Book value of the motor vehicle. Motor vehicle assessments are based on make, model, and year of the vehicle. Motor vehicle assessments are not based on the mileage of the vehicle. If I write a check, who do I make the check out to? All checks are payable to the town of Windsor. With my motor vehicle, for what time period am I being billed for? You are being billed from October 1st of the previous year until September 30th of the current year. What is a supplemental bill? Any car registered after October 1st of the previous year will generate a supplemental bill, in which you will only be billed for the time that the motor vehicle was registered in the town of Windsor. Supplemental bills are mailed out the last week of December and are due January 1st, delinquent after February 1st. If anything is registered in the current tax year, there will be no bill until the following July. What to do if you turn in your plates at the DMV or have moved out of state. If you move out of the state of Connecticut or have turned in your motor vehicle plates to DMV, the assessor needs to be notified. DMV does not automatically notify the assessor's office of canceled plates. In order to stop payment, the assessor's office would need one of the following: a plate receipt, a bill of sale, an out-of-state registration, or cancellation of insurance. How can I pay for a ticket? Tickets are able to be paid by cash, check, bank check, or money order. The amount given on the ticket is good for 7 days. After 7 days, the ticket is doubled. Is there a way I can see my balance due online? Yes, through the Town of Windsor website. At townofwindsorct.com, you may look for your tax information through the tax inquiry. Is there a way that I can pay online or by phone? Yes, you can pay online or by phone through officialpayments.com. Use the jurisdiction code 1771 and your bill number. The phone number for official payments is 1-800-272-9829. Official payments only accepts credit cards, and there is a charge of 3% of the balance. You may also make payments through Webster Bank on the Town of Windsor website at townofwindsorct.com. When using Webster to pay from your checking account, there is a 50-cent surcharge, and if you use your debit card, there's a $2.95 fee. And if paying with credit cards, there's also a 3% surcharge. None of these fees go to the Town of Windsor. Once paid, bring in the confirmation page with the confirmation number, and a DMV clearance will be issued at that time. I didn't receive the bill because it was mailed out to my old address. Can interest be waived? By state law, the tax collector has no authority to waive interest, whether the taxpayer has received the bill or not. As a matter of state law, the taxpayer is liable to the town for taxes due. The tax collector is required as a matter of law to apply the amount paid to the oldest bill first. When does interest start to accrue? Interest accrues August 2nd and continues to accrue at 1.5% the first day of each month. Interest is 18% total per year. When is a lien placed on my property? Failure to pay the real estate bill in full by April 30th of each year will result in a lien. Liens are placed on property May 1st. Once paid, liens are released at the end of each month. I overpaid my account. Am I eligible for a refund? If you have overpaid an account by more than $5, you are eligible for a refund. Am I allowed to make partial payments? Yes, we do accept partial payments. However, by state law, we cannot waive any interest. Reminder, interest accrues on the remaining balance. Can I pay at the counter with my credit card? No, you cannot. We do not have machines available at the office. Who is eligible for benefits or exemptions, and when are the application deadlines? There are 2 benefit programs and 7 exemption programs offered by the Town of Windsor. A benefit is a direct reduction in the amount of tax payable, while an exemption is an amount reduced on the assessment. What happens if I pay my bill after June 1st? If you pay your bill after June 1st of the current year and you need to register a motor vehicle, then all delinquent taxes, as well as upcoming taxes, must be paid. In order to obtain a stamp or DMV release, all names on the tax bill must be free and clear of taxes. This is per the Jeopardy Collection Statute only. Current and updated information regarding upcoming bills and due dates will be posted on the town website. For more information, please call the Town of Windsor Tax Office at 860-285-1810.